My name is Dylan Deaton. I've been with Versadrill for about 5 years now. Whenever a customer buys a new rig, we'll come out here and for basically their first job, any leaks they have, any questions they have, we'll be out here to help them with it. And then any fine adjustments they want to do to the rig once they get it up and running, we're here to get everything handled for them. We brought out me, the startup manager, so I can be here to fix any hydraulic leaks, any questions they have running the actual rig. We also brought Visna with us, which is our mechanical engineer. And then with Brandon, he's our electrical engineer. So anything electronically going on, he's the man for it. If the customer doesn't have any experience with a Versadrill or very little, it's a lot more questions on like the basics of what controls what does this, what does that. But with these guys, they're currently running 4 Versadrills plus this TRX rig that they just got. So they're extremely used to it. So specifically, this rig is for B&H Construction. They do a lot of geothermal projects, and this is actually our first Trax rig that we just finished up. Typically, they're drilling 500 foot, moving up about 10, 15 feet, and then drilling another 500 foot. So there's so much debris and mud that's right there coming out of the hole. The big advantage with Trax, a lot harder to get stuck going through all that mud. And it's a smaller footprint, so doing on jobs like these, it's a lot easier to get it moved around to all the different holes. The current driller that's on this Trax rig, he's doing about 1,500 feet to about 2,000 foot a day, depending if he wants to do 4 or 5 holes. He could realistically punch out 2,000 feet.